How to remove location from Facebook post. So go ahead and open up your Facebook application. Go to your profile by tapping on your profile picture at the top left corner of your screen. Look for your post with the location that you want to remove. After that, tap on the three dots icon on your post and then select Edit Post. After that, just tap on the location pin icon on the bottom part. Now, if there's a selected location, it will just display it with an X icon at the right part of it. To remove it, just simply tap on the X icon and it will be removed. After that, just tap on the Save button to save your post and your location should be removed. So that is how to remove location from Facebook post. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.